It's great to be here with you. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the large-sized stabilized earth block machine ZC7-10 Super. It produced 7 pieces brick per cycle. This is an upgraded new design of full automatic hydraulic brick production line. The hydraulic pressure of the old version is only 40 tons. The pressure of new design can achieve 200 tons. If you have any special requirement, we also can upgrade it to 300 tons. Generally, 200 tons hydraulic pressure is enough. It can guarantee we get the unparalleled bricks. We introduced ZC7-10 Super in 4 aspects: function, brick production line components, operation display, and installation guidance. ZC7-10 Super can produce many different bricks by changing molds, such as solid brick, interlocking brick, paving block, and so on. If you plan to produce special design bricks, we can talk it together. The production line is composed of conveyor belt, soil crusher, soil screen, raw material storage hopper, pan mixer, brick machine, pallet feeding machine, brick conveyor, and stacking system. Now, let us explore the operation of the brick production line together. The first step is crushing soil. We use a conveyor belt to feed material to soil crusher. The labor intensity of workers can be largely reduced compared with loading material to the feed inlet soil crusher by hand. The soil crusher crushes the soil into small particles. It is equipped with 18.5 kW electric motor. This provides the crusher with sufficient power to avoid jamming caused by feeding too much material at one time. The second step is sieving soil. After crushing, the soil is transported to the soil screen by conveyor belt. The soil screen sieves the small particles further to get fine and smooth soil. Generally, the screen mesh diameter is 7 millimeters. If you have special requirement, we also can customize it for you. After sieving, the soil is transported to the raw material storage hopper. As the name suggests, it is used to store raw materials that have been crushed and screened. What is the key role of the storage hopper? The storage hopper can store the raw materials processed by the crusher and the screener when the mixer is mixing raw materials. This ensures that the crusher and the screener can work continuously. At the same time, the mixer can be quickly loaded to complete the next round of work after unloaded. This operation mode can ensure that the host machine is fully supplied with raw materials and ensure efficient output. In the mixer, besides soil, you can add other materials based on your production plan, such as pigment, cement, and so on. If the raw material is too dry, we need to add water. How to determine the proper dry humidity? Clench the soil. If it can take shape, that will be proper dry humidity. If it can't take shape, we need to add more water. Water needs to be sprayed, not poured. If all the water is poured into the mixer at once, some of the soil will clump together. This will increase the mixing time and reduce work efficiency. After mixing, the soil is transported to the hopper of the brick machine. There is a material distribution plate inside the hopper. The raw materials can be evenly unloaded into the hopper with the help of the material distribution plate. Therefore, there will be sufficient raw materials in every corner of the mold during the material distribution process. Now, the raw material has been ready. Let us explore the production of the interlocking bricks together. The power of the entire machine comes from the hydraulic system. The machine can run fully automatically with the assistance of various sensors. The power of the hydraulic motor is 22 kilowatts. There are 6 hydraulic cylinders on the host machine to control feeding, pressing, demolding, and brick discharge. The diameter of the middle cylinder is 399 millimeters. It provides a strong guarantee for the output of high-strength bricks. The small cylinders on both sides can shorten the molding cycle and increase production. For 300 by 150 by 100 mm brick, ZC7-10 Super can produce 7 pieces per cycle, about 13,000 pieces in 8 hours. Instead of the previous brick conveyor belt, this brick production line is equipped with stacking system. It feeds pallet automatically, and 2 rows pallets are lifted and transported to the stacking area together. We can transport all the bricks to the curing area together when there are about 8 layers pallets. Regarding the pallet quantity requirements, 300 pieces will be enough, because the bricks can be moved away from the pallet once they are transported to curing area. Then the pallets can be recycled. Besides the brick we are producing, this brick machine also can produce other different bricks by changing molds. If you have other unique designs, we can discuss and confirm whether we can customize the brick mold for you. The equipment's arrangement of the full production line can be arranged in a straight line or in a zigzag line. You can choose according to your site conditions. If it is arranged as we have seen, the floor area is about 12.5 meters by 13.5 meters. In order to extend the service life of the machine and avoid wind and rain, you can build a 20 meters by 20 meters production workshop. That's from me. Thanks for your attention. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications getting the newest video. For more information, please visit www.jingchenmachinery.com.